In this video I'm going to show you some Harbor Freight welding cart modifications, and you can see here that the gas hose comes in contact with the bottle. I could slide that bottle back a little bit, had to put a block of wood in there just to tighten up the chains. So I'm going to make some changes to this and modify this Harbor Freight welding cart so that I can just put the bottle on, tighten it down, and it's secure on the cart, and I don't have any more problems with it contacting the gas hose. I'm just going to make a template out of cardboard so I can make a couple of pieces to bolt onto the cart and support that tank better than it is currently. I'm using a 120 cubic foot bottle. That bottle is about 6.5 inches in diameter. So I'm going to draw out this curve here that's 6.5 inches in diameter. There's the dimensions if you want to make one yourself and you're using the same size bottle that I am. Now this is a piece of scrap metal I got from my neighbor. It's a stabilizer jack. It came off of a big motorhome. The guy had backed into something and bent the heck out of it, so he unbolted it, took it off his RV, and I picked it up from him, so I'm going to use it to make these parts. This is going to be the first time using these Benchmark Abrasives premium cutting discs. And as you can see, of course this is sped up. They cut real nice. And by the time I did all this cutting, I think I used about 1/8 of an inch off the diameter of the wheel. Not bad. Real good cutting discs for the price. So we'll just use this Benchmark Abrasives flap disc, clean up the edges on all these parts. This is my first time using my new YesWelder Cut 55 plasma cutter. I was so happy with the YesWelder TIG 250P, I decided to go ahead and buy their plasma cutter. So far so good. I'll probably do a video on this machine in the near future. So here's the part I came out with, and I'm doing 2 welding carts with this same Harbor Freight welding cart modification. So I made 4 parts, 2 parts per welding cart. I don't know if you noticed it or not, but this Harbor Freight welding cart is the cheapest Harbor Freight welding cart that they offer. I just picked it up on sale for $30. I picked these 2 turnbuckles up off of Amazon. I actually got a package of 5 for about $7.50. They're stainless steel and they're about 4 inches long. Perfect for this modification. I'll leave the link for those in the description in case you're interested. On the other side, I just put an eye bolt so I could connect the chain to it and then have the turnbuckle on the other side.